The tool you will need for throttle replacement is a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the black sleeve and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the orange plastic part. Release the silver snap and separate the orange plastic part. Remove the cable. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws underneath the throttle to remove the damaged throttle. Insert the replacement throttle back in place and pivot the orange plastic section. Reattach the throttle cable. Put back the orange plastic part, tighten the silver snap clockwise, place the black sleeve, and screw it tightly. Reattach the unscrewed screws, tighten the previously loosened screws, and finally, turn the throttle to check the installation status.